This is also how it feels to be a young hoe. Like this.
Has anyone ever thought to like reuse a cough over and over? Cause I mean, a yawn. Cause I find that when I yawn in my videos, every time I say yawn, I yawn, and then I rewatch the video, and then I yawn at the part where I'm yawning. And so what if you take the video, you yawn, you stop the video, and then when it gets to the yawning part, you start yawning, you X out of the video, then you take another video, you yawn, and then you watch the video again, and then you yawn. And then there's a second camera set up, like, on the side, and it's watching you make all these videos and yawn. How long can that go for? Okay, TikTok, so I'm trying to do too much. Oh, excuse me. Alright, so I am trying to do too much. Alright, waking up at 6 o'clock every morning to work so that I can be ready to work out in enough time and get ready for work. One, that's good. That's good, right? And then I gotta work from like 11 to 5:30, right? And then, you know what else I added into my schedule? DoorDash. So I'm over here dashing, right? And I realized, hey, this is what it's doing to me. I'm over here door dashing, and I ain't even wake up in time. You know what time I've been waking up? Instead of 6, I've been waking up at like 8, 9. But you know, I'm not gonna let that discourage me, though. It's not gonna discourage me because just because I didn't work out yet, it doesn't mean that I can't do all of this. It just means I need to figure out a good time. So, you know, we're going to figure this out because I'll be damned. I'll be damned if you try to defeat me. No schedule. I make you schedule. You don't defeat me. You don't control me schedule. I control you. You are part of my day. Yeah, I'm talking to you schedule. I'm talking to you. Because guess what? I'm going to get this stuff done. I'm going to work out. Yes. Yes, I am. I'm going to work out. I'm going to do DoorDash. I'm going to work my regular job. And I'm going to survive. Okay. That's it. Oh, what is that? What's that? How I get a nail? I'm going to bed. I'll talk to y'all later, because that was ridiculous. How did I get... What I do? Cut my nails while asleep? That would happen. Just... Ooh, that hurt. That ever happened to you? You got so hard it hurt. And keep crying. I need to wake up and not go back to sleep. I can't. I can't. I'm tired.
I think it's
I know.
Mostly from far away.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm going through it over here. These yawns take everything out of my body.
Not look so weird.
Good.
Smile with my goodie bag. Woke me right up. Yay, presents! And I got one last one.